birthday to you.
9. Okay. Hooray!
I do.
Every meal.
Ouais, midi.
Come on, Rosemary.
Okay, let's talk about bread.
Sorry, oh, sorry.
Yeah, very good teacher, not listening.
Okay, so
Cool.
Yes.
with your 3 fingers,
Teachers are principals.
Teachers tell them to behave.
1,
So you want a straight plot out.
Like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
which is tucked in,
And this is just
easy.
1, 2,
2, there.
Cross.
of course. So you don't tighten it too hard, otherwise you're gonna tie your fingers up and it'll be hard to get it out.
Right.
Okay.
Let's go.
Go with the
Let's
strips.
go.
Okay.
You too. That shall be fun.
There you go.
Okay, let's do that. Okay, so let's get some.
2,
So,
3, down.
1, 2, but mine is not so good.
I need to start and then you
That's it.
1,
Leo, we've got a problem.
Yeah, stretch
Oh, you stretch it. Okay,
I'm stuck.
Back.
so, yeah.
1,
1,
2,
2,
and this should be here, not on top.
Is that alright?
It's good.
It's a bit rough.
Good rub, yeah.
And then, okay.
That's a good shape too.
Okay, mine is not good.
And then we go to here. So,
Yeah, mine is not good, but this is a matter.
That's one.
So, yeah, at that time, so,
What is in the thing?
vanilla and
sugar. Just like that.
how do you call this sugar?
Super.
So you need to put the sugar.
Okay. Just like
I
that.
started at the back.
oh, it's French.
Only with Juliette. Merci. Bonjour, that's it.
Oh, very good, that's And how many languages do you speak, Leo?
3.
Okay, which are? English? Portuguese, yes, of course.
Portuguese, English, and China.
Okay.
Shanghai.
Okay. Okay.
We can translate anything you want in many languages: Afrikaans, Dutch, French, Spanish, German.
Does Shangams share a lot of words with Zulu?
Zulu, yes.
Yes.
Some, yeah, very some.
Okay, I love listening to Zulu.
Yeah, Zulu.
I'm glad who had dinner?
Not me.
It's also not to eat.
Juliette, dive in. Birthday girl.
Yeah, birthday
I
girl.
will be last. I'll be last.
No, birthday girl first.
You know how the children at school do that, like they claw and they kind of look for the biggest.
Yes, they do, yes.
And then you pick it up and then
big.
decide it's the wrong one.
Oh, no, they pick it up and
Yes.
put it back down.
Have you got smallish?
A smallish one? The answer to that question. Oh wow, these are so soft.
They are very nice.
Wow, very hard.
Boiling.
Yes, soft.
Very top.
Mm-hmm.
Have a cinnamon will be easy. But let's try it before we say it. Yeah, hot, yes, I'm gonna wait a bit.
Oh wow.
So great.
Crusty outside
with
and
excellent food.
Absolutely. I'm gonna burn myself.
Delicious.
Fantastic.
Oh, yeah, so good. Honestly, they're the best one I've never eaten. They're the best one
Thank
I've ever
you.
eaten. I was saying that, yeah, or anywhere else. The cinnamon is so strong here. It's so subtle. It's just perfect. Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Always make sure you
Thank you.
Really, really good. I think it's because she put too much flour.
Yes.
Yes.
Will you use the thermomix?
Hey.
Yes.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Juliette.
Thank you. How many?
Happy birthday to you.
9. Okay. Hooray! Oh, you got one boyfriend.
Joining us. So that's lemon cake.
Lemon.
Oh, beautiful.
Wow. Sorry, that's right.
Yeah,
It's
to go
okay.
home. We think it's so much nicer here.
Look at all the steam coming out of it.
They're looking good.
That's really
They look
nice.
great.
Yeah, they're coming
It
out.
looks like a gâteau breton, no? When did you have time to do that?
Today, I've spent a whole day here.
I feel very guilty now.
Baking this cake. She's like, yeah.
It's just
She's a bit crazy.
Let's go to Ibiza. And he's like, I'll sleep on it. And so she literally went to Ibiza a year
yeah,
after.
so
He wasn't wearing his shorts. He was. Shoot from the beginning.
Do you?
I do.
Every meal?
Ouais, me too.
Yeah,
actually.
most-
Yes, milk, yes.
Really?
Yeah.
You will say cheese or baguette?
Yes.
Why?
Wine is also very good.